The machine at the center of modern chip manufacturing is built by a single company called ASML, a company based in the Netherlands. ASML does not design processors or sell consumer electronics. Instead, it builds the machines that make advanced chips possible. Among these machines, the most important is the EUV lithography system. EUV stands for Extreme Ultraviolet. This technology is used to create patterns on silicon wafers at a scale that is difficult to imagine. The patterns are so small that they are measured in nanometers, which are billionths of a meter. At this level, even small variations can affect how a chip performs. To understand why this machine is so important, it helps to first look at how chips are made. A semiconductor chip begins as a thin, circular slice of silicon called a wafer. This wafer acts as the base on which circuits are built. A modern chip contains billions of transistors, each acting like a tiny switch that controls the flow of electricity. These transistors are arranged in highly complex patterns across multiple layers. The process of creating these patterns is called lithography. It works by coating the wafer with a light-sensitive material, then exposing it to light through a mask that contains the desired pattern. The exposed areas are then developed and etched, leaving behind the structure that forms part of the circuit. This process is repeated many times, layer by layer, until the full chip is built. As chip designs have advanced, the size of these patterns has continued to shrink. Smaller transistors allow more computing power to fit into a smaller area, improving both performance and efficiency. However, shrinking these patterns introduces a major challenge. Traditional lithography uses deep ultraviolet light. While this worked for earlier generations of chips, it becomes less effective as features approach extremely small sizes. The wavelength of the light limits how precise the patterns can be. When the patterns become too small, the light can no longer define them accurately. This is where EUV lithography becomes essential. EUV uses light with a much shorter wavelength than previous technologies. This allows it to create far more precise patterns, enabling the production of advanced chips used in artificial intelligence, high-performance computing, and modern smartphones. However, generating and controlling EUV light is extremely difficult. Unlike regular light sources, EUV light cannot be produced using simple lamps. Instead, ASML's machine generates it by firing powerful lasers at tiny droplets of molten tin. Each droplet is hit twice in rapid succession. The first pulse flattens the droplet, and the second pulse turns it into a plasma. This plasma emits extreme ultraviolet light. This entire process happens tens of thousands of times per second. Once the EUV light is generated, it must be carefully directed through the machine. But there is another challenge. EUV light is absorbed by air and cannot travel through standard glass lenses. This means the entire optical system must operate in a vacuum. Instead of lenses, the machine uses a series of highly specialized mirrors. These mirrors are manufactured with such precision that even the smallest imperfections can affect performance. The surfaces are polished to near atomic smoothness, and they reflect the EUV light through the system with minimal loss. Each reflection slightly reduces the intensity of the light, so the system must be designed to preserve as much energy as possible. By the time the light reaches the wafer, it has passed through multiple stages of reflection and shaping. At the final stage, the light passes through a mask, which contains the pattern of the circuit layer being created. The pattern is then projected onto the wafer, transferring the design onto the light-sensitive material. This process must be repeated with extreme accuracy for each layer of the chip. Even a small misalignment can render the chip unusable. As a result, the machine includes advanced positioning systems that can control movement at the nanometer level. The complexity of the EUV machine is reflected in its size and cost. An ASML EUV system can weigh over 150 tons and consists of thousands of individual components. It requires multiple shipping containers to transport and can take months to assemble at a fabrication facility. The cost of a single machine can exceed $200 million. Despite this cost, demand for these machines is extremely high. Only a small number of companies in the world have the capability to manufacture advanced chips, and they rely heavily on ASML's technology. Companies such as TSMC, Samsung Electronics, and Intel use EUV machines to produce cutting-edge processors. These chips power everything from cloud-based AI systems to consumer devices. Without EUV lithography, it would be extremely difficult to continue scaling chip performance. Many of the improvements seen in recent years, including more efficient AI models and faster computing systems, depend on the ability to manufacture smaller and more precise transistors. Another important aspect of these machines is the level of collaboration required to build them. ASML does not create every component on its own. It works with a network of specialized suppliers. For example, the mirrors used in EUV systems are produced by a German company called Carl Zeiss SMT, which specializes in high-precision optical systems. Other components, such as lasers and control systems, come from different parts of the global supply chain. This level of coordination highlights how complex modern chip manufacturing has become. No single company or country can easily replicate the entire process. In addition to technical challenges, there are also operational considerations. EUV machines require highly controlled environments to function properly. Fabrication facilities, often referred to as fabs, must maintain strict conditions including temperature stability, vibration control, and cleanliness. Even microscopic particles can interfere with the process, so fabs are designed to be some of the cleanest environments in the world. As the demand for AI continues to grow, the importance of these machines is becoming more visible. Training large AI models requires powerful hardware, and that hardware depends on advanced chips. These chips, in turn, depend on the ability to manufacture extremely small features with high precision. Looking ahead, the industry is already working on further improvements. Researchers are exploring new techniques to push beyond current limits, including next-generation lithography systems and alternative materials. However, EUV remains one of the most important technologies enabling modern semiconductor progress. In simple terms, ASML's EUV machine enables the entire ecosystem that modern computing depends on. From artificial intelligence to everyday electronics, many of the technologies people use today are made possible by the precision and capability of this system. While most users never see these machines, their impact is present in almost every digital interaction. As devices continue to evolve and demand more performance, the role of advanced manufacturing technologies like EUV will remain essential.